Here I've got HOMTOM HT16 and let me show you how to perform a factory reset on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick backup and reset, go to factory data reset right here, and if you truly want to erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and all the other user data, you have to click on Reset Phone. And now you have to confirm it one more time because this operation will erase all your personal information and it cannot be undone. So if you truly want to perform it, just click on Erase Everything. And now just wait until it's done. And that's it. As you can see, your device has been reset and you can now set everything from scratch. So that would be all. This is how you can perform a hard reset on your device through the settings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.